Howdy crew, I bought several welding machines today. Let's get to it. Yes, y'all did hear correctly. I bought several welding machines today. Bought the machines from MPB Welding Supply. As y'all have seen, I buy quite a bit from MPB. Really enjoy supporting their business. They always do great by me, so I'm always happy to support them. And they did great by me again with the welding machines. First machine was the Miller Trailblazer 330 Air Pack. Y'all have heard me talk about that quite a bit, and very excited, very stacked to buy the Trailblazer. And it has the air compressor in it, so I don't have to worry about getting a separate machine, plugging it in there. All that's great. The second welding machine bought today was also through MPB, and that is the Miller Suitcase Arc Reach 12. I don't remember the exact way it's laid out on their website. Miller Suitcase Arc Reach 12, and then it comes with a Bernard gun, but I also bought a gun recently, the Pro Max. And it's for outer shield. The gun that I want is going to be for inner shield. And so I forget whether it's the Duramax or the Iron Pro. There's some inconsistencies on Miller's website as to which one it comes with, because their numbers in relation to what comes with the package and what doesn't, what option can be coming with. It's either the Duramax or the Iron Pro. They're both pretty much the same thing. They do the same job. They are different in some ways, but not terribly, not anything that would make a difference to me. And so I can't say which one's going to be coming with it, but it is going to be for inner shield. The one for outer shield I already have. Be a review coming up on that soon, or at least with initial thoughts of an unboxing. So I'm excited about that. But the Trailblazer and the Suitcase Arc Reach 12 are going to be coming very soon, in about a week. So a week from today, it should be getting close to getting here. And I do want to mention there is a difference between the Arc Reach 8 and the Arc Reach 12. So the Arc Reach 8 takes about a 10-pound or 14-pound spool max, whereas the Arc Reach 12 can take all your 33, 45-pound spools, no problem. And so there is a size difference. If you look on the website, you have to look very closely. The Arc Reach 8 is this big, and the 12 is this big. So y'all do have to look that. Make sure you look at the specifications of which reels it can take, because if you have your 33-pound spools, it's not going to take it, unfortunately. So make sure you check that out. I was looking at the 8 because in one spot it looked like it did say it could take the bigger spools, but unfortunately it can't. So that's why I went to Arc Reach 12. It was getting close to $30,000 for the two machines. So a little bit of a sting, but again, paying for it all in cash, built up all the cash, so it's not hurting at all. It's a lot of money. I'm not gonna knock it at all. It's a lot of money going out for that. But again, working hard to pile up that cash to build all of the welding rig without owing a bank, a person, an organization of any sort. Nothing is going to be loaned. Nothing's going to have any interest on it. It's all paid for in cash. So everything's in the clear. I don't want to be worrying about someone taking the Trailblazer back because payments weren't made. Same thing with the Arc Reach. I don't want someone knocking on doors saying, hey, you haven't paid your payments. It's going. So all of it's paid in cash. There's no loans, no interest, no nothing. So I'm very happy about that. It's going to take about a week to get here. So I will keep y'all posted on when it's going to be getting here, if there's any updates on shipping, any of that stuff. And then it's going to have it load up in the truck. And then hopefully very soon, going to have everything put together and be out working in the field with the new welding rig. So that's today's update. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.